Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today's video should be really fun. We will be unboxing a thrift mystery box from ThredUp. I think they call them rescue boxes, and they contain items of all different sizes and types. It costed $60 and it includes 25 items. And I'm really curious if this is legit, if it's worth it, or if it's just gonna be another scam, but we will find out together. It's lunchtime, so I made myself a smoothie. As you can see, this box is huge, so we'll be here for a while. I need something to keep me going. I've been using this really cool product by TEAMI Blends. It's their green superfood blend, which is basically concentrated greens for your smoothie. It's super delicious and super energizing. And I've also been obsessed with their tumbler. I've been using it for water, tea, smoothies, just literally everything. I'm gonna include some links in the description down below, as well as a discount code in case you guys are interested. You gotta check them out. And now let's get into the video. Let's get into the box. Okay guys, let's get started with the first thing that I'm kind of like attracted to, I guess. It's like a leather jacket, but it's blue. It's not bad condition or anything. I don't know if it's exactly my style, but I will definitely try everything out and we'll see how things look on me. But this looks like the right size. I love leather jackets so much, but for some reason I really dislike this one. It fits me pretty well though. I mean, it fits me almost perfectly. But I don't know. Oh, there's stuff in the pockets, ew. We have some, are these like joggers? What are they? I'm not sure. But they're actually cute. I think I will wear these. They're size medium, so I think they're cute. Honestly, I don't know. I kind of like these, but I don't know if I can pull them off. I feel like my legs look really chubby in them. What do you guys think? Next up, we have another leather jacket, or like a leather blazer almost. This is size medium. Looks interesting. I definitely want to try everything on to see if I really like it. Just by looking at it, it's okay. I mean, I have nothing bad or nothing good to say about it. At least things are not like torn apart or like in really bad condition, so that's good. This one is kind of cute, but I don't know. I feel like it's very similar to a leather jacket that I already have and I actually like more. So yeah, I don't know. So the first brand name that I'm familiar with in this box is a little dress by Charlotte Russe. This is 2X, so I probably won't be able to wear this because it's gonna be too big on me, but it's like a really cute dress and I wonder if I can like maybe sell it on Poshmark or something. It looks really cute. Next up, we have this striped, this has like stains all over. I don't know if you guys can see them, but like right here, it's just, this is kind of disappointing. Next up, we have this kind of cute top. I think this can work for maybe like at the office or something when we're free to go back to work. Okay, I actually really like this. I think it's really cute. It's oversized everywhere except for around my chest area. I don't know if you guys can see, but it looks very awkward. But still, I think I'm gonna keep it. I think it's pretty cute. I don't know if I tuck it in. I think it's cute. The next thing, I don't even know what that is. It's brand new though. I mean, I don't think that's my style. This is it, buttoned up. I don't know, I feel like this can be kind of trendy if a cooler person was wearing it, but I'm not that person. I don't know. And it's purple, which I don't like purple that much, so. Next up, we have this black jacket. And this again can go either way. Like I can like it when I put it on, or I can see that it's not my style at all. I really cannot say just looking at it. My cat is being very needy right now. Coco. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. So this is what this jacket looks like. I mean, it's not horrible, but it's, I don't know. I feel like I might keep it just in case. I don't know. One thing that I don't like about it is that the sleeves are short, like kind of short on me, but it's also like very worn. I don't know. It's not horrible though. I get it. I don't know. Next up we have a pair of pants, and they're like a dress work pants. They are in really good condition, and if they fit me, I think I'm really gonna like this for the office. But they're probably not gonna fit me because they are a size 0, so that's bad, but they are by Banana Republic, so this is a good find, I think. The next item is a pair of leggings. No, it's actually sweatpants, but they're like very worn. I don't love them, to be honest, and they are these kind of like flared at the bottom, which I'm not a huge fan of, so probably just gonna get rid of those. The next item is another jacket. It's this like fall or early winter jacket. It's not super thick. It's a size large, so I'll probably wouldn't be able to wear it, and I don't really like it, so I guess this is out as well. I feel like it's pretty big on me. No. The next thing that we have is this sweater, but it's actually like short sleeve sweater, which is so weird to me. Like I literally have nowhere to wear this, because when the weather is sweater weather, you can't really wear short sleeves here in Massachusetts, so I don't know what's the point in this. It might be cute on though, we'll see. It's by Gap, and it's actually in really good condition, and I like the material and everything, so we're gonna try it out and we'll see. I definitely don't like this, so I don't know. It's just, I don't get it, you know? I don't get it. It's kind of cropped to, which I wouldn't normally mind. I mean, I feel like I would really like this if it had like full sleeves. Like this, it's just, I don't know. Next up, we have some pants by J. Crew. They are size 10, so they're not gonna fit on me. The next thing that we have is something with actually the tags on, so like brand new. It's a bodysuit, and it's really, really cute because it's like velvet at the top and then like some other material at the bottom. It's super cute, but unfortunately it's gonna be too large for me. It's wait, is this size medium? This actually used to be $264, and it was on sale for $154, so this is kind of like a maybe a designer item. I don't know. I feel like I've heard about this brand, but I'm not 100% sure, but it definitely feels like a great quality, and I'm really bummed out that it's not gonna fit. So I obviously don't know my size at all, because this thing fit me so well. Like it's a tiny bit roomy, but I can definitely wear it, and I really like it. I think it's really, really cute. Okay guys, we are ready to continue. Wait, this is really good. So we got this. Is this like a jacket? I'm not sure, but it's a North Face product, which they're pretty expensive. It's a size medium. Oh boy. I mean, I was gonna say that the condition is really good for this item. It almost feels like brand new, but it has this really weird stains here. I wonder if these will come off, because other than that, it like feels almost brand new, and it's like a really good quality item. So this is what the North Face thing looks like. I don't think it looks that great on me, to be honest, but it's really warm and cozy for maybe just lounging at home. I don't know. You can really like cinch it in. It doesn't look good on me for sure. So I'm on the fence about this one too. The next item is super colorful. It's this, I guess, a tunic. It's like bright green with red flowers everywhere, and it has this like mesh or like lace detail on the back. And this again looks in good condition. I don't see any stains or anything. Okay, so that's another item. It's not really my style, but this is actually something that I think my mom would wear, so maybe I would offer it to her. The next item is another brand new item by a brand that I'm not familiar with. So this is size 18 to 20, so definitely not gonna fit me, but it looks like a longer top or something. I think it's pretty cute for the office or something like this. It used to be $60 and it was on final sale for $33. Next we have this very basic beige cotton t-shirt, no stains. It's by Everlane. It's an extra small. I think I'm gonna be able to fit in it though. It's probably good for like lounging at home or something like this. It's pretty soft and cozy, so I think I'm gonna keep this. Next up we have another pair of pants. These are again by Banana Republic and are again size 0, which these look pretty impossible for me to fit in. And they are also flared at the bottom, but these are also in really good condition. They're just like basic black pants, which everyone needs pants like this for the office. Next up, I think this is a bathing suit, or no, it's actually just a top, a bathing top. It's made from like a bathing suit material. I don't see a brand. I feel like this is just a bathing suit top. I don't see the size, I don't see the brand, and I'm not a huge fan of this. I don't know. This is what it looks like. Oh my gosh, I love this. So this is like a really cool flannel by Madewell. It's really long, it's super oversized. I will definitely wear this. Love it, so soft, love the colors. So this is the flannel, and I'm actually pretty disappointed because it turns out it's a flannel dress and I look crazy in it. So I think this is out as well. If it was just a flannel that you can like button and unbutton, I would have loved it, but a huge flannel dress, probably not for me. Next up we have another J. Crew item. It's an XL. It's like a crew neck. It's very soft, feels almost brand new. It has this like interesting things on the sleeves, little like ties. So this is what this J. Crew thing looks like on, and I don't hate it, but it's not my style, so I'm definitely going to be putting it on my Poshmark. Next up, another pair of pants. These are by Loft, and these are Marissa Skinny, again size 0. Why are all the pants size 0? That's making me angry a little bit because I can't fit in any of them. These definitely look super small. Other than that, they are in good condition, so I think they are cute for work for sure. Oh my gosh, this is cute. This is a really cute dress, which I think it's gonna be too small for me because it's an extra small, but it's by, I've never known how to say this brand. Is it Bebe or BB or whatever? But this is a really cute dress. It's like sweater-like material, but it's short sleeve. So you guys, this is the dress. It fit me because it's stretchy, but it definitely looks a little bit small on me. I still really like it though, so I don't know. I'm either gonna be wearing it or I'm gonna give it to my sister because she's a little bit thinner than me, but it's a really good quality dress and I really like it. And we just reached our final item, which is another pair of pants. And they are again size 0. Oh my gosh, what is happening? These are Banana Republic pants. They are really cute though, like beige color, very classic. I had a lot of fun unboxing the box and I really like the idea of a box like that. One major thing that I don't like though is the fact that you can't choose a size for these items, and that is a deal breaker for me. I'm definitely not gonna do that again, just because there were some items that I really liked in this box, but they were completely unusable for me because they were too small or they were incredibly large. I understand the reason why they do it, because it's like so much easier to just dump everything that they have lying around in a box without like thinking about sizing and stuff like that. But I feel like the users will definitely like greatly benefit from making this box adjustable by size, unless you are buying it with the goal to resell, which I didn't do it for that. I really just miss thrifting, and I thought this would be like a great alternative now that I can't actually go to a thrift store. So out of the box with 25 things, I decided to keep 4 things. I'm gonna keep this top, I'm gonna keep this dress, which I think it's really cute. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it for myself, or as I said, I'm gonna give it to my sister. And the item that I'm most excited about, and actually the only item that I'm actually really excited about, is this bodysuit. And I'm actually thrilled that it fit me. Considering the price of this and the quality of this, I feel like I didn't lose value, just because that's a very high quality item and it's brand new, but I feel like I just got lucky. If it wasn't for this item, I definitely would be disappointed with this box. And then I decided to keep this very basic t-shirt, not because I'm in love with it, I just think it's practical to have to wear at home. So would I recommend this box? Probably not. If you are looking for value, if you are looking to spend $60 and just have fun opening a mystery box with thrifted items, yes, probably do it, it's fun. But if you are looking for actual value, and the actual value that you get by going to a thrift store and selecting items that really like speak to you, I don't think you're gonna get that. Yeah, I mean, it was fun, but I don't think it's worth it. I don't think it's worth your money. So that was it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. That really helps my channel. Make sure you subscribe if you like lifestyle content, and I will see you next week with another one. Bye guys!